is going to be the landing sequence into Chicago O'Hare. We're following that American Airlines, I want to say A321 on final. We're only about 1,000 feet up. Landing gear are down, flaps are deployed and slats. Here on final. Wind shear, pretty cold. Is on final approach like this on disconnect. Yes, using final approach manual. Flying through the suburbs of Chicago, and we can see the opening of O'Hare, ORD. Here we come. With 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. I was a bit off that one. Here we go. Now we have in
ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Chicago O'Hare, where the local time here is 7:37. Please stay comfortably seated until the seatbelt sign is turned off. You may continue to use and charge your phones and tablets.